Olivia, you want to give the dog a treat? You want to give the dog a treat? You want to give the dog a treat? Treat? Okay. We'll give her a treat. Give her a treat.
Be nice to Lucy. Give it to her. Don't make her take you for it.
Where are you going with it, Liv? Oh. You're not being very nice to Lucy.
Olivia, give her the treat. Give Lucy her treat.
No, that's nice. That is good, huh?
You slob up your hand.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.